Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first lecturate in the series, and here I am starting with BRICS. So the BRICS is an intergovernmental organization that was formed in 2009 to enhance economic cooperation and to take up the challenges that were induced in the era of 2007 and 8 when there was an era of recession. So to counter up all the economic challenges, this grouping has emerged out a major organization since then. Its founding members were only four, which were Brazil, Russia, India and China, and later on in the year 2010, South Africa was also added, and since then it is called BRICS. In the year 2023, in the summit of BRICS that was taken place in South Africa, 4 more members were added into that, and which were Ethiopia, UAE, Iran and Egypt. That increased membership have led to the importance of BRICS at the higher level. Currently, BRICS constitute 30% of global land and 45% of global trade. It also constitutes a large amount of population, as India and China are two most populous countries of the world. Talking about its members, South Africa is the most advanced economy of African continent. Meanwhile, Brazil, Russia, India and China are among the top 10 economies of the world. Geopolitically, this grouping is considered as a rival to the G7 bloc, which is dominated by Western world countries. The Western world countries are also dominating other economic blocs like IMF and World Bank. At the same time, this BRICS economy or the BRICS organization is also raising the issues of the global South countries, including South Africa and other major developing countries. It has developed a major organization with its development of Asian Development Bank that was formed in 2014 and whose headquarters is in Shanghai, China. This Asian Development Bank is also supporting projects, infrastructure developments in its member countries. It has also provided incentives, loans and challenged so many economic liquidity in the countries. In the recent summit of 2023, when these 4 members were added, these major countries of BRICS have also taken many major decisions, and one of them is the common currency for BRICS. They are focusing to challenge the US dollar currency and to make the BRICS countries common currency to enhance trade and development and to ease any problems that can be developed in their trade developments. As Russia faced many sanctions from US and has depleted its US foreign reserves in the dollars, so it is major step for the Russia as well to do the trade in the common currency for BRICS countries and with its member states. When India-Russia relations are at the edge of high, when we started importing crude oils at the discounted prices. But there are several challenges. With China, we are having challenges of border escalation since Galwan Valley incident, and when the Russia is also moving towards China, there is an equation of Russia, India and China, and whom Russia is going to support when there is a conflict with China. We have a foreign policy with China that since till then the border escalation problem doesn't get resolved, we will having no trade talks with China. So in that point of view, the BRICS credibility is going down, but the countries are working out shoulder to shoulder to enhance its cooperation. Thank you.